Hi, I'm Alan Smith. I'm in the Le Creuset Atelier. You know, there's a lot of pressure in the holidays to produce a delicious bird, and many of us don't have a lot of time. One of the things that I've learned is to set your bird in a nest of herbs. For instance, I'm going to use some rosemary. I'm going to lay it in this rack like this. You can use really any kind of herb you like. If you love the traditional sage, use some sage, and why not throw in a little thyme? So what you're basically doing is creating this nest, and then you can take the turkey, place the turkey on it like this, and roast it as you will normally. Now I typically brine my bird. I pat it dry, I'll rub it down with some salt and pepper and roast it. For a little added herbal flavor, I run my hand between the breast and the skin, and then just take some of these herb leaves. You can mince them. I like to use them whole. Just shove them in that space, probably 4 or 5 on each side. There you have it. Give this tip a try, and you'll have a very flavorful bird.